Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is Bidirectional Visitor Counter using 8051 microcontroller with IR sensors. So here we are using power supply board, IR sensor 1, IR sensor 2. So those are connected with P2 cap 0 and P2 cap 1. 8089S52 microcontroller IC, 40 pin IC, 8051 development board. So DC motor, DC fan, it is connected with P1 cap 4. 16 cross 2 LCD display, it is connected with the port 0, RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, P0.0.0, 4, 5, 6, 7, and relay SPDT relay coil and AC bulb 1, SPDT relay coil 2, AC bulb 2. Those are connected with P2 cap 6 and P2 cap 7. So concept is, so persons enter into the home or any visitor, any auditorium or anything. If it is 0, all should be off, light, fan should be off. 0 to 4, 1 light, 1 fan on. 5 and above, 2 lights and 1 fan on. This is the concept. So in this project we are using an 0 to 5, 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using. So here bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED, 5 volts power supply board. This is reset button, 8051 microcontroller development board, 8051 microcontroller IC, 40 pin IC, total 4 ports, port 0, port 1, port 2, port 3. Port 0 it is connected with 16 cross 2 LC display. Port 1 cap 4 it is connected to the DC fan. Port 2 cap 0 it is connected to the IR sensor 1. 2 cap 1 it is connected to the IR sensor 2. 2 cap 6 it is connected to the IR bulb 1 relay coil AC bulb 1 and port 2.7 it is connected to the relay 2 bulb 2. 16 cross 2 LCD display it is connected with the LCD. P1.4 fan. Port to 3 I am not using. Port to 2.0, 2.1, 2.6, 2.7. Okay. So now I am going to start the power supply. So bidirectional visitor counter using 8051 microcontroller. Okay, so members is 0. So now entered OK, entered OK, then fan on, bulb should be on. Okay, exit, light and fan off. So 0 and 0. Okay, please enter. Okay, LCD entered OK, one light, one fan on. Okay, please exit. Okay, so now I am going for please enter OK, count is 2. Okay, please entered OK, count is 3. Okay, please entered OK, count is 4. Okay, please entered OK, count is 4. Please entered OK, count equal to 5. One light, two lights, so count is equal to 5 and above. Okay, entered OK, 6. Okay, exit. So go to exit, then exit OK, count equal to 5. Exit OK, count equal to 4, bulb equal to off. Exit OK, count equal to 3. Please exit OK, count equal to 2. Please exit OK, count equal to 1. Then exit equal to 0, bulb off, fan off. Okay, now please entered OK, Okay, then exit, okay, 0. Then entered okay, count equal to 1. Okay, exit okay, 4 counts above, 4 to 4, 0 to 4, 1 light 1 fan, 5 and above 2 lights 1 fan off, fan on. Okay, this is our block diagram and this is our hardware kit part. Okay, entered okay, 1 light 1 fan, count equal to, please entered okay, count equal to 2, please entered okay, count equal to 3, let's exit okay, please enter okay, count equal to 3. Okay, please entered okay, count equal to 4, please entered okay, count equal to 5. Okay, so please exit okay, count equal to 4, 1 light 1 fan.